Welcome back everyone. Today on COTT Electronics, having discussed areas and other transaction related pages, we can finally move on to an option that is constantly available to us. In the upper left corner of every page, you have a few pending orders in the form of a blue button. Click on it and it will take you to a page where you can see the open and closed orders, which you can accept or decline. The page shows you the type of order, the cost, and the exact time of order for maximum efficiency. If you choose to decline, you may specify the reasons within the prompt that follows. To see more details of closed orders, including the reasoning to decline or accept one, you can switch over to them and click Details, which should show you how the transaction went down. Once you approve or decline the order, you can go to Messages, where you can choose specific templates in order to quickly and efficiently answer customer questions with standard answers that have already been prepared. It is also worthwhile to note that received messages will remain pending until read by the user. You can also attach specific templates to specific messages for greater efficiency. For more on COTT Electronics, please visit our channel, and once again, thank you for watching.